Easily drills high-quality flat-bottomed and pocket holes. Features optimized ultra-sharp cutting teeth specifically engineered to cut through hard and soft woods smoothly and efficiently. Significantly reduces cutting time compared with traditional Forstner bits. Reduced shank fits 3/8 and larger drills and drill presses, 1/2, 38.1 mm, 1/5, 41.2 mm, 2, 50.8 mm, Forstner bits. IRWIN Tools Marples wood drilling Forstner bits are constructed of tough carbon steel to stay sharp and produce precise pocket holes and flat-bottomed, blind holes. The ultra-sharp cutting edges feature optimized angles to cut more quickly and accurately through hard and soft woods than traditional Forstner bits. With a reduced shank, these bits fit 3/8 and larger drills and drill presses. These wood drill bits are ideal for fine woodworking, cabinet making and more. Set includes 1/4, 6.3 mm, 1/4, 6.3 mm, 3/8, 9.5 mm, 1/2, 12.7 mm, 5/8, 15.8 mm, 3/4, 19.0 mm, 7/8, 22.2 mm, 1, 25.4 mm, 1/1/8, 28.5 mm, 1/1/4, 31.7 mm, 1/3/8, 34.9 mm, 1/1/2, 38.1 mm, 1/5/8, 41.2 mm, 2, 50.8 mm Forstner bits. Top reviews from the United States. Good set. Very sturdy. Well made. And gets the job done.